Hey everyone, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious taquitos dorados de pollo. They're so delicious and crunchy, very easy to make. So if you want to see how I make them, keep watching. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 2 pounds of chicken breast with bone-in. We're going to add the chicken to a pot, and we're also going to add half of a white onion, 4 garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And last, we're gonna add water until the chicken is completely covered. And now it's time to cook it. I'm gonna set the stove to low-medium heat, cover it up, and cook it for about 60 to 70 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna use a spoon to remove some of the foam. We cover it up again and continue cooking. While we wait on the chicken, I'm gonna make a fresh tomatillo and aguacate salsa. To the blender cup, I'm gonna add 3 chiles serranos that I've already cut into smaller pieces and 1 jalapeño. A quarter of a small white onion, a very small piece of garlic. We're gonna blend it for about 5 seconds. To that, we're also gonna add 7 tomatillos that I've cut in half, salt to taste, and we blend. Once your salsa looks like this, we're gonna add 1 small bunch of cilantro and 1 aguacate, and we continue blending. Our salsa is ready. It's a little spicy, but if you want less spicy, you can always add less chiles serranos. It's been an hour and a half and our chicken is now ready. We're gonna take it out and shred it. I'm gonna remove the skin and the bones. And since the chicken is still hot, it's easier for you to shred it with a fork. That way you don't burn your fingers. Now we're gonna add some black pepper. Give it a mix. And we're also gonna mix in some Monterrey Jack cheese. You can use any melting cheese you'd like. Okay, and the filling for the tacos is ready. I put my tortillas in the microwave for a couple of seconds just so that when they're rolling, they won't break. Now we're gonna start preparing our tacos. We're gonna grab some of the filling and we roll them. You can make them as thick as you want. And we keep doing the same until we run out of filling. And we'll roll it up. I've set my pan on low-medium heat and I'm gonna add oil. We're gonna start frying our taquitos. We're gonna fry them for about a minute on each side or until they're golden. The taquitos are ready. I'm gonna get them out and put them on some napkins so they can absorb the excess oil. And now we'll do the same for the rest. I'm gonna top my taquitos with some lettuce, some salsa, crema mexicana, y queso fresco. And there you have it, delicious taquitos dorados. All right, guys, this is my favorite part. Cheers. Super, super delicious. Y la salsita. It's a little bit spicy, pero le queda perfecto. The cheese goes perfect with them. Some people make them with potato, chorizo, whatever you like. Frijoles, but definitely must try them. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.